Hey everybody, wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about the data table. Every lab that we're going to deal with will have a data table that you're going to have to include. Many of you have already left the data table part blank, which is part of the first couple of labs and the labs continually. So now, once you're doing the post lab, you will go back and fill out the data table so that you can get full credit. It's not a separate data table, it's just going to go back and include the data table on that page. Specifically for this lab, here is the data table. This is a general outline for this data table. Excuse me. And let me show you how this is set up. Now you can use this or you don't have to. You can transpose it. The point is you want to make sure that you have all of this data to look at. So here's the thing, okay? This is, first of all, should be really long and skinny, okay? Now, this tells you which fraction that we collected, obviously, A, I, and B. Now, what's not clear here in this layout, but should be, is that this is the temperature that we collected. It started collecting, okay, and the temperature that we collected it to. And now this here is also two columns. This is the experimental boiling point range. So remember, you have the 5 degree on either side of the boiling point. So this is the experimental range that we are collecting. Okay. Then this is the volume, this is the percent, and then you're going to tell me what the compound is that's here. Okay. You don't have to worry about the barometric pressure, but you did use 50 milliliters. You did have a date. And then here is the rate in drops per minute. All of you should have counted drops and then told us what over what time. You may have to do a quick calculation there, but which would be included on your experimental calculations. And then the efficiency calculated is again the answer for your from your data table or from your experimental calculations. So whether you use this particular sheet or whether you make your own that has all this information, the point is this is all the information that you should refer to when it comes time to writing up your analysis. Okay, and all of this should go into the data table part of your lab book that you left blank a while ago. Okay, so there it is. Have a great day.